Hey friends, today I'll be discussing a very important topic, which is save water. Are you ready? Let's go! Plant more trees as they help in improving air quality and conserving water. Use paper and paper products wisely. Recycle paper as much as possible. Save Water is an initiative to conserve water. Water is a transparent, tasteless, colorless, odorless substance present everywhere in the world. Subscribe. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface through seas and oceans. If we want civilization to flourish, we have to start saving water. Scarcity of water is the result of drought, contamination, and pollution, causing a huge amount of casualties every year. Fresh water supply is very limited, hence the stress on conservation of the water is highly essential for everybody. Like, we must try to save water so that it remains available for us and our future generations. Saving of water also minimizes the extra cost of availing fresh water by mechanical means. As a responsible citizen, it is our prime duty to avoid the wastage of water and spread awareness on the same. Let's take the pledge to save water and help to keep it clean. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.